In this video, I will show you an alternative way how you can reset your WordPress password directly in the database, and this method will require no email confirmation. And as usual, before proceeding with the steps shown in this video, please make sure to have a full backup copy of your WordPress site, including the database. Once that's done, log into your hosting account and then go to control panel areas such as cPanel, and then locate phpMyAdmin. Go ahead and open it. Within the phpMyAdmin area, you'll see the list of databases here on the left. In case you have multiple databases and you're not sure how to find a database associated with your WordPress installation, there's a video on my channel where I explain how to do so. As in my case, this specific database is associated with my WordPress installation, so let's go ahead and click on it. Now we have to look for the table which is called WP_users. Just keep in mind that the prefix WP may be different, really depends on your configuration. In case you have too many tables right in here, you can actually do a quick search. Let's just type _users. And here's the table of interest. So let's open it. Right at this page, you'll see a list of user accounts registered on your WordPress site. As in my case, I have two, admin and Nick. And the account which I cannot log in is with the username Nick. So let's find it right here and then click on edit. Now look for users_pass and within the function, just change it to MD5 right here. Now in the value field, just type your updated password. So let's clear the field and the new password for this account will be new password as an example. Now let's scroll a bit down and click on go. Perfect. So we've just updated the password. And now let's try logging back in. So let me go back to my WordPress login page. Let's refresh it. So the username is Nick. And the new password is new password login. Excellent. So I was successfully able to log back into my account with updated password. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. And for more WordPress tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.